was scared to leave you. You were too good at leaving. No more waiting around, yeah. I'm sneaking out of this mess. Don't say goodbye. You'll never get close to me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I didn't know my voice was this crackly. Please excuse my voice. I have a little bit of bronchitis. I'm okay, don't worry about me. I'll be just fine. But in the meantime, my voice sounds absolutely terrible. I don't realize like how bad it sounds until I start speaking. I forget that my voice sounds like a freaking 50-year-old smoker. Today I just wanted to give you guys just a fun little spring tutorial on a golden glow. And a cool thing about this video is that I show you guys how to make the most of your makeup products. So just like a couple different tricks that you can use if you're low on a budget. I hope that helps you guys. If you guys want to see how I got this golden spring glow, then please keep watching.
What's up, guys? My voice is feeling a lot better, by the way. So first up, we're going to start with this Smashbox primer and putting that all over my face with clean hands. Love that song. Then I'm taking this Naked Skin concealer and covering up any red spots I have, things like that, and blending it out with a damp beauty blender. So to keep those covered, I kind of just feather out the edges of it instead of blending out over the actual zit, because you want to keep as much product on it as possible. Then I'm taking 2 shades from MAC. I know I'm extra, and I'm just mixing them together with a little bit of oil. This is a little trick. The MAC foundations can be a little bit dry for me, so if you put a little bit of oil on it and make this little concoction on your hand, and then obviously put it on your face and blend it out with a beauty blender, it will make it nice and dewy and smooth and just flawless. Then I'm taking that Naked concealer again, putting it underneath my eyes, on the top of my forehead, nose, and chin, blending it out. And then I took this Urban Decay primer and blending that out. Your eyeshadow will not move all day. I love that product. Then I'm taking this MAC what's it called, setting powder, and putting that all over my face with a fluffy brush. Any liquid that you use, you want to set it, and also make sure that you have snacks. Next up, I'm taking this golden beautiful color, Half Baked I think it's called, from my Naked 2 palette, and taking a fluffy brush and putting that all over my lid. Fluffy brushes are great to work with, especially if you are if you don't have time, or you don't want to use like a flat definer brush. It's a lot easier to blend out the product and you don't have to be so precise with it. And then I'm just taking a smaller little brush and kind of making an obtuse angle in the inner corner of my eye just to highlight that, so I can look like a Victoria's Secret model. And I actually forgot to bring a crease color with me when I was filming, so I'm taking my bronzer, Hoola bronzer instead, and a different fluffy brush, and just putting that in the crease. So you're seeing how it just defines it even more, and it separates the shimmer from my brow bone area, I guess, and it just makes it look so much cleaner. And then I'm taking just a thicker definer brush and lining the bronzer underneath my eyes as well. This is just a super simple spring look. Just super fresh and golden. And then I'm taking this color by MAC called Sand Rice Paper, I believe, and with a fluffy brush putting that underneath my brow bones, and I wanted to just add a little bit more to the inner corner of my eyes. Really wanted it to be that Victoria's Secret vibe. And then I'm not using false lashes today, so I'm curling my eyelashes, even though I curl my eyelashes every time. Favorite mascara, holy grail mascara of all time. This white stuff that I'm putting on just basically primes it, and while it's drying, I'm taking this white eyeliner and lining my waterline with it. This will make my eyes look so much bigger. And then before I'm doing my brows, I'm just brushing it out so that all the hairs line up. Okay, I totally ran out of my brow pencil, which sucked. So I used an eyeshadow instead. So this is a great video just to show you the other tips you can use, other tools you can use if you ever run out of anything, and make sure that you blend it out like you saw. Then I'm taking this other mascara, Mad Lash Mascara by The Balm, and it will make my eyelashes so much longer. I only use it on the top part because my top lashes, because it will smudge on the bottom, so I use my other L'Oreal mascara. If you guys want to see how I do my bronzing highlighting routine, I will link my other video down below. I love this shade, blush shade by NARS. I'm not sure what it's called, but I love the fact that it had some golden flakes in it, because this is kind of like a golden glow look. And I'm putting that blush, focusing on the inner, like the top, the cheeks, oh, what's it called? Just the like front part of my cheeks. It'll make you look a lot more younger. Then I'm taking that sandpaper eyeshadow again. I didn't have a highlighter with me, and I just use it as a highlighter just to keep that golden look. And then for lips, I'm just taking this like a brownish pink nude lip pencil. I think it's by Pure Cosmetics, and just lining my lips with it. Then I'm taking this Clinique lipstick shade in Spiced Apple and using that as my lipstick on top of it. And that, my friends, completes this beautiful makeup look.
Alright you guys, so that concludes this little video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up because, hello, my voice is killing me. Don't forget to subscribe, tag me in any of your recreations, and my social media listed at the end of this video and in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, see you later.